Good morning, friends. Today I'm making pickles because my cucumbers are still producing, and I'm putting away everything that I can for prepping for my family, saving myself money and my family. I'm going to turn this around and show you what I've got going on. Okay, so I've got my vinegar, just did some garlic, salt, sugar, making sweet pickles. Then I have my celery seed, turmeric, and my mustard seed, and I'll cruise on over here. I have my whole setup going, got my jars out. They're all sterilized, got this. Working on this so that I could water bath can them. But yeah, everything's from my garden, and I'm doing what I can, when I can, because it's super important. Using what I have on hand, picking up some more turmeric tomorrow. We're doing a date night, which is going to do a little bit of shopping for prepping and for stuff here at the house just to eat regular. Homesteading, I love homesteading. We're doing what we can, and I have a bunch of wild grapes that I'm keeping an eye on, which I am going to can and make grape jelly with when they're ready to pick. So yeah, foraging specific things when they start coming up. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.